What if I told you the rich don't rely on luck, crypto hype, or secret stock tips to build wealth? In fact, the system they use is so simple, most people completely ignore it. And that might be the biggest financial mistake of your life. Because while everyone else is chasing fast money, the wealthy are quietly following a boring formula that works every single time. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what that formula is. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why some people make a lot of money but still end up broke, and at the same time, others earn average incomes yet somehow build real, lasting wealth? It doesn't make sense at first, but when you look closer, you realize something powerful. Wealth isn't about how much you earn, it's about what you do with what you earn. And that's where everything changes. Because the wealthy don't manage money randomly, they follow a system. A simple, structured system called the 15-65-20 rule. And once you understand this, you'll never look at your money the same way again. Part 1. The most powerful 15% of your life. Let's start with the first number, 15%. This is the most important part of the entire system. This is the money you pay to your future self. Not your landlord, not your bills, not your cravings, your future. Now I know what you're thinking. 15%? That's a lot. And yeah, it might feel that way at first. But here's what most people don't understand. This 15% isn't an expense, it's your escape plan. Because this money has one job: to grow, to multiply, to quietly work for you even when you're sleeping. Why this 15% changes everything. Life is unpredictable. Your car breaks down, a medical bill shows up, you lose your job, and suddenly everything feels like it's falling apart. But when you have that 15% saved and invested, those problems don't destroy you, they just inconvenience you. That's the difference between panic and peace. The magic of compound interest. Now here's where things get really interesting. This 15% doesn't just sit there, it grows. And then it grows on the growth. That's called compound interest, and it's one of the most powerful forces in the world. Let me show you something simple but mind-blowing. Imagine two people, Sarah and James. Sarah invests $10,000 at age 30 and never touches it again. James waits until 40 but invests $2,000 every year for 10 years. By age 50, James has invested more money, but Sarah still ends up with more wealth. Why? Time. Time is the secret weapon, because when your money has more time to grow, it doesn't just increase, it explodes. Where should that 15% go? Now you might be wondering, okay, but where do I actually put this money? Here's the truth. Wealthy people don't gamble. They don't chase trends. They keep it boring. They invest in simple, diversified funds, things like index funds. Instead of trying to pick the winning horse, you own the entire race. And over time, the entire race grows. The hidden advantage most people ignore. Here's something even more powerful. Governments actually give you tools to grow wealth faster. Tax-advantaged accounts, retirement plans, employer matches. If your employer matches your investment, that's free money, literal free money. Not using it is like walking past cash on the street and leaving it there. Part 2. The 65% that controls your life. Now let's move to the next number, 65%. This is your living expenses, your rent, your food, your transportation, your essentials. And this is where most people fail. Not because they don't earn enough, but because their lifestyle keeps growing. You get a raise, and suddenly you want a bigger house, a better car, more expensive habits, and just like that, you're earning more but still broke. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's dangerous because it traps you in a cycle where no matter how much you earn, it's never enough. Why the 65% limit matters. The 65% rule puts a boundary on your lifestyle. It forces you to be intentional, to choose what actually matters, not what looks impressive, but what builds your future. The hard truth about spending. Let's be honest, a lot of what we call needs aren't actually needs. That expensive car? Not a need. Daily takeout? Not a need. Subscriptions you don't even use? Definitely not a need. The wealthy understand this. They don't try to look rich, they focus on becoming rich, and that means making smarter choices. Small decisions, big results. Let's say you save $400 a month by choosing a cheaper car or cooking at home. That's $4,800 a year. Invested over time, that could turn into tens of thousands of dollars, all from one simple decision. This is how wealth is built, not with huge sacrifices, but with consistent, smart choices. Part 3. The 20% that keeps you human. Now here's the part most people don't expect. 20%. This is your fun money. Yes, fun, because the wealthy don't believe in suffering forever. They understand something most people miss. If your system isn't enjoyable, you won't stick to it. Why enjoyment is essential. Imagine trying to save every single dollar. No fun, no rewards, no freedom. Eventually, you'll break, you'll overspend, you'll quit. That's why the 20% exists. It gives you permission to enjoy your life without guilt, without ruining your future. Balance is the real secret. This is what makes the system powerful. It's balanced. You're saving, you're living, you're enjoying, all at the same time. And that balance is what makes it sustainable. The biggest mistake people make. Most people go to extremes. Either they save everything or they spend everything. But neither works. The wealthy stay in the middle. Disciplined but flexible. Focused but human. What if you can't follow this yet? And now maybe you're thinking, this sounds great, but I can't do this right now. And that's okay. You don't need perfection. You need progress. Start with 5% instead of 15%. Start with 75% instead of 65%. Just start, because consistency beats perfection. Every time. The real difference between rich and broke. Here's the truth no one talks about. Most wealthy people didn't start rich. They didn't have special advantages. They just followed a system and stuck to it for years. While others chased shortcuts, they stayed consistent. Why this works? Because this system isn't about luck. It's about behavior. It's about discipline. It's about making slightly better decisions every single day and letting time do the rest. So here's the question. What are you going to do with your next paycheck? Are you going to spend it the same way you always have? Or are you finally going to take control and start building something real? Because the truth is, your future isn't decided by your income, it's decided by your habits. And the best time to start is right now. If this opened your eyes even a little bit, then do one thing before you leave. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment saying, "I'm starting today." Because one small decision today can completely change your life tomorrow. And I'll see you in the next video.